Hello everyone, I am Vishwas. Hope you are all doing good. This week there are huge openings for freshers and experienced candidates in many companies. If you are looking for a specific role in a particular location, you can comment below or you can also reach out to me on my Instagram ID which is vishwas_reddy01. I'll surely try to find out if there are any openings on that particular role. If you feel these job updates are not matching your skill set, don't forget to share this video to the people who are in job search. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates on my latest videos. Without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for inside sales role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Please note that this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. Qualification: any graduation. Location: Bangalore. Job summary: In the inside sales team, you will provide support for lead opportunity generation, conduct calls, send emails, connect via social media to generate leads, schedule first meetings for sales or pre-sales, conduct customer surveys, identify participants for events, and bring awareness of the products or offering on behalf of sales marketing teams. Good to have skills: B2B or B2C. Sales, customer service inbound, customer service outbound, good communication skills. Roles and responsibilities: in this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your own team. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for order to cash processing role. Job highlights: in this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. You will be need to versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day-to-day business and use it while discussing with stakeholders. 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location: Bangalore. Qualifications: BCom. What you do: the order to cash processing team provides services to clients and organizations by helping them in the areas of optimizing working capital, providing real-time visibility and end-to-end management of revenue and cash flow. This team overlooks the entire process that starts from customer inquiry, sales, order to delivery, and invoicing. Roles and responsibilities: in this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your own team and direct supervisor. You will need to be versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day-to-day business and use it while discussing with stakeholders. You will be an individual contributor as a part of team with a predetermined focused scope of work. Ability to solve problems, build strong relationships, ongoing relationships with customer. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Global Logic Technologies Limited is hiring for freshers graduates. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required. Only graduate 2019-20 passouts only should apply for this role. Location: Hyderabad. Salary: 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Job description: interesting and challenging work in a large and dynamically developing company. Exciting projects involving newest technologies, professional development opportunities, excellent compensation and benefits package, performance bonus program. Responsibilities: timely deliver different project data at the highest possible quality standard, quick learn new project requirements, update, validate and quality assurance of the data, solve complex problems in time-bound and effective manner. Required skills: fresher or below 1 year experience candidates can apply for this role. ICICI Bank Limited is hiring for phone banking officer. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required. 1 vacancy. Locations: Chennai, Hyderabad. Description: the phone banking officer is responsible for providing good service to customers pertaining to any of their banking, financial and investment needs. Handling and resolving customer complaints or queries over phone, providing customers with relevant product and service information, cross-selling various banking products to customers over phone. Fluency in spoken English and Hindi language is must. Open to work in rotational shifts. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for finance process. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location: Mumbai. Qualifications: BCom. Responsibilities: you will be working as a part of finance process team. The team is responsible for identifying new cross-sell opportunities, cutting report cycle time, increasing reporting accuracy and improves cash and capital forecasting. This team uses financial planning, reporting, variance analysis, budgeting, and forecasting to help clients and organizations exercise and imply financial control. Roles and responsibilities. In this role, you will be given detailed instruction on all tasks. The decisions that you make impact your own work and are closely supervised. Please note that this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. What we are looking for? We are looking for individuals who have following skill set: account reconciliation, adaptable and flexible. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Oracle India Private Limited is hiring for KPO Capital Market Consultant. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required, 20 vacancies, location Mumbai. Candidates should be flexible to work in any shifts and on any 5 days of the week, including Indian holidays. Good English or oral and written communication skills is required. Education qualifications: graduate full-time degree of BCom, BMS, BBA, BAF, BFM with minimum 50% score. Responsibilities: net asset value calculation, validating NAV and performance calculation, performing monthly reconciliation with custodians or accounting agent for NAV, assets including position, market values, book values. Data integrity services, setup and maintenance of securities, quality check of security data. Asset reconciliation, custody reconciliations for assets, future CFD margin reconciliations, transfer agent reconciliations, OTC collateral reconciliations. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Sutherland Global Services Private Limited is hiring for equity research internship 2 months. Job highlights: BCom, BBA from Tier 1 or 2 institutes. 6 months experience in data mining or industry or financial research. 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Mumbai. Roles and responsibilities: for the working leading US based sell-side firm and GCC based hospitality company, involving roles and responsibilities as mentioned below. Understand and scrubbing strategy related data providing by the client daily. Arranging the data in Excel format and uploading in client portal. Work on client interface and maintain daily client interactions. Updating a template and systemized formula based model on a monthly basis. Understanding and analyzing financial statements, capturing data and running all checkpoints. Desired candidate profile. To succeed in this position, you must be a BCom, BBA from Tier 1 or 2 institutes. 0 to 6 months experience in data mining or industry or financial research. Excellent Excel skills. A knowledge of VBA macros would be an added advantage. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for order to cash processing. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Noida. Please note that this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. In this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Designation: management level L3, new associate. Qualifications: BCom. The order to cash processing team provides services to clients and organizations by helping them in the areas of optimizing working capital, providing real-time visibility and end-to-end management of revenue and cash flow, and streamlining billing process. This team overlooks the entire process that starts from customer inquiry, sales order to delivery and invoicing. This role is aligned to our service desk and non-voice support team, which is responsible for recording, diagnosing, troubleshooting, resolving, or assigning incidents and service requests based on a defined scope of support. Amazon Development Center is hiring for automation analyst role. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required, 30 vacancies, location Bangalore, salary 3 lakh to 3,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: in this role, associates are required to understand different operational techniques and have high level of attention to detail. Key responsibilities: meet and or exceed the set productivity and accuracy targets. Eligibility criteria: any BE, BTech, MCA, MSc or similar course in computer science or information technology system should apply for this role. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Tech Mahindra Limited is hiring for customer support voice, Telugu and English. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required, 150 vacancies, location Chennai, salary 1,25,000 to 1,50,000 per annum. Requirements: candidates should possess minimum average English communication skills with Telugu. Qualifications: any degree or HSC. Age criteria: 18 to 30. Interested candidates walk into the below mentioned address or call to the number given in the link which I have provided in the description. Tech Mahindra Limited is hiring for email support Hindi and English process. Job highlights: any graduate can apply for this role. 0 to 5 years of experience required, 75 vacancies, location Chennai, salary 1,50,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: answering premium customer queries via email, establish a relationship and trust with customers by ensuring qualitative service. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description.